Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our new Salesforce Certified MuleSoft Associate course. In this session, we're going to talk about a foundational concept in modern integration development, the role of an API specification, and the benefits of adopting a design-first approach when building APIs. When building APIs, it's easy to jump straight into coding, writing business logic, connecting to databases, and testing endpoints. But this approach can lead to miscommunication, rework, and inconsistent implementations, especially in large or distributed teams. That's where API specifications come in. An API specification acts as a blueprint for how the API is structured and how it should behave. It defines the available endpoints, the HTTP methods used, expected inputs and outputs, authentication requirements, and response codes. Think of an API specification like a contract. It clearly outlines the agreement between the producer, the team developing the API, and the consumers, any team, application, or partner who will use it. By agreeing on the contract before development starts, teams can work in parallel, avoid surprises, and stay aligned throughout the project. Now, let's look at the design-first approach. In this method, you define the API specification first, before writing any code. You collaborate with stakeholders, including product owners, developers, and consumers, to agree on the API structure, purpose, and behavior. Once the specification is in place, it becomes the foundation for both development and testing. Tools can even generate mock APIs and documentation based on the specification, allowing front-end and back-end teams to develop in parallel. There are several key benefits to the design-first approach. First, it improves communication by aligning everyone on a shared understanding of what the API will do. Second, it reduces rework because the behavior is defined up front, which minimizes changes later. Third, it increases reuse and consistency. Teams can build APIs that follow organizational standards, making them easier to maintain and scale. And finally, it supports better lifecycle management, as the specification serves as a reference point for versioning, updates, and governance. In conclusion, API specifications provide clarity and structure to your integration design, and adopting a design-first approach brings alignment, reduces friction, and accelerates development. It's a modern best practice that empowers teams to build scalable, maintainable, and well-governed APIs from the start. Thank you for joining us today, and see you soon.